In your daily experience, is there a notion, almost organic, bodily, of this personal amness as being sourced in or growing out of big consciousness? I don't know, that's such a specific question. I don't know if it feels like it's growing out. It kind of feels like it is that big consciousness, the amness. But then it's also seemingly located. Like, so it's kind of everywhere, but it's also seemingly here. And the big consciousness is seemingly everywhere, but then there's this seeming personal, like it's looking through here. I don't know if that helps.